In this video I want to show you the rich templates we use to get high conversions on Facebook. Okay, you can drive traffic to your website, any offer page, CPA using these kind of rich templates. Okay, time tested, they give results if done correctly. Okay, also you should know how to target your audience. Okay, I can configure a Facebook ad for you for $10. Okay, you should wait for at least 1 or 2 days to see the results whether it works for your product or service or business. Okay, for blog post and ebook marketing, see how the template looks like, rich template, so that the customers or your prospects will click this link. Okay, then it will be redirected to your website. Okay, this is the way how your template should look like. Okay, I can configure a campaign for you using this collection for e-commerce. See how it will look like. See how an ad should look like, how top converting ads in Facebook look like. Okay, Facebook, it's very, what to say, there are people who buy from Facebook, there are people who sell cars, boats, luxury items, jewelry, tourism. Okay, lot of high transaction deals are happening on Facebook nowadays. Okay, this is the way they sell. See, they are selling some clearance sale is going on, some flight, there someone is selling iPhone. Okay, some expensive watches, a summer trip, laptop, camera. See how they put their ads. See, along with this, targeting your customer is very important. Okay, I know the technique to do that. Okay, right now I'm charging $10 for an ad. Okay, this is how the campaign will look like. See, I'm promoting video services, this is the template I use. Okay, no need to fly all the way to Hollywood to get your video created. Contact us to get a professional video for promoting your business. Okay, we are also providing video services. Okay, like professional video services. This is the ad I use. Okay, I'm targeting all English speaking countries for this particular ad, where people have the buying capacity. Okay, and fashion and clothing. See, template is good. See the templates. So anybody will click on this ad, they want to know, they're very curious what is inside. Okay, some people put their off. See, right now there is a new Facebook rule, that is test an image. You should not they allow only 20% test per image. Okay, and this kind of images are goes to the exception check. You may need to wait for 1 hour. Okay, then they will approve it. This kind of ads and fitness. See the ads, see the rich templates. These kind of ads are getting lot of conversions on Facebook. I mean a sale, if done correctly. I can configure their campaigns for you. See, I'm also on Facebook ads expert, helping all kind of niches. Can you see here already? So already I show how a blog post should look like, how to sell ebooks, e-commerce products, any e-commerce products. Okay, any physical products I'm telling you, fashion and clothing, any brands, luxury goods, how to sell it, and fitness products. For the top marketers, what kind of templates they use to sell fitness products. See, these are the highly converting templates in the industry. Okay, so you can test it out. You can pay me $10. I can create a converting ad for you. You can get started, and you can invest at least $10. Okay, $10 for ad. Get started with $10. Wait for 2 days to see the result. Don't hurry up. See how the product is working or not. If it is working, we'll definitely scale it up. Okay, there is lot of buyer traffic on Facebook nowadays. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, see, in America, USA, and advanced countries, people are selling car, boats, luxury items. Okay, high ticket products. That means one purchase is equal to $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. Okay, 100K dollar. Okay, that's very big transaction. They are making directly from Facebook. See the template. It gives them buyer confidence. Along with that, your website should have SSL certificate. That is very important. Okay, most of the people look that health niche. See how what kind of template the top marketers, advertisers use to sell their products. It's very top secret in the industry. These are all highly converting templates. So I told you, I am also into the Facebook ads for a long time, internet marketing. See, you'll get lot of clicks to the website, lot of clicks to the offer page using these kind of ads. See, I'm just giving an idea how it should look like. Not only See, I can create a custom template for you, okay, which gets approved by the Facebook ads panel. Okay, they have their own rules. There are certain ads which get disapproved. Right now, they won't approve adult, gambling, pharmacy, and prohibited goods. Certain malicious software, something like that. Okay, scripts. They have their own do's and don'ts. See, Facebook ads approval is very easy. You can get started for less than $2 and in English speaking countries, in some countries less than $5 per day. Okay, you need to invest at least $5 per day. Okay, it's not like native ads companies where you need to have at least $1,000, 2,000 or $5,000 budget to have a talk with them. Otherwise, you can't advertise in their platform. But Facebook, I'm telling you, it's very flexible. Anybody can get advertised. If you are willing to take small risks, willing to see, want to see the results, what I can say is advertise at least once. See how the product is working. It will give an idea what the market is looking for, how the product is converting, how are the conversions like that. If it is working for particular niche, say you target women in the range of 25 to 30. Okay, you click another one ad and target men in the range of 25 to 30. Which ad is bringing you most of the sales, and change the city, change the country. Okay, likewise see the conversions. Okay, where the particular sale is coming from. Once you come to know that this particular city, this particular demography, this particular ad and this particular interest is giving you lot of sales, you put your money in the campaign. See, many people are telling you for each dollar one they invest for ad campaign, they are getting $20 in return, $20 in pure profits. Okay, they are getting thrice profits. There are people who make that. Okay, but your product should be very good. See, jewelry. This kind of jewelry cost, what to say, dollar 1,000, 2,000 per each transaction. But they are able to make sales only through Facebook. See, and people are buying directly from Facebook. I mean, when someone clicks on the ad, it is redirected to an outside page, okay, outside of Facebook to a website, and they buy from there directly. So this is the trend right now. Okay. See, most of your see why I'm showing you is that see most of them are into e-commerce. Okay, some are into freelance services, some are into photography, web designing. Okay, you can sell your services if done correctly, and targeting audience is very important. Okay, I can target that for you, but you see for yourself whether it is working for you or not. Okay, so you can pay me $10 and invest $10 for ad, run the ad for 2 days, wait for at least 48 hours, see the result how it is working. Okay, see the template, highly converting templates in the industry for JV affiliate recruitment. See, yeah, just giving you an idea. Okay, I will tell you how an ad will look like. You should put your campaign name, headline, a creative description, text about your product, service, opportunity, whatever, and a link to your website. Once someone clicks this link, automatically it will move to this particular page of the website. So this is how the ad will look like. And there are some people, they run ads for likes, views, comments, video views, carousel ads. Okay, many are doing this. Okay, nobody's sharing the secrets. See, local services, hire a photographer, get your house clean. See, people are selling these kind of services. See, in advanced countries through Facebook ads, and make money niche. Let me show you. Make money and blogging, money online. See the templates. Okay, see the rich, highly converting ads in the industry. And online betting, see most of them into online betting industry, they are asking me how to advertise, what to advertise. Despite the competition, if you want conversions, you should go for this particular method. See, casino, football, horse racing. Okay, you'll get lot of signups, you'll get their email ID. Okay, put it in opt-in form, give some anything as a freebie, say a PDF report or anything. Okay, for the in exchange of the email address, say a coupon, definitely they will give their email. See, this is how the industry is right now. Online gaming, okay, many people are into online gaming, there are many developers right here. Okay, it's a big industry, it's a $1 million industry, online gaming. Okay, Grand Theft Auto, League of Legends, Minecraft. Okay, because right now gaming is about rich graphics. Okay, as if you are playing in the real world. Okay, lot of games like that, simulation. See, this is how they make. I think the cost of this one game cost at least $100 per transaction, more than $100, right? $50 or $100. PS3, PS4. See, see the richness of the ad. So they able to pull down conversions for that. Many of them claim that many of my colleagues who are into this kind of ads, They tell me that for each dollar one invested, they are making at least $20, $50 profit. See, online services, see, marketing services, video services, graphic designing, assistant, and another service. Okay, and online trading. Yeah, many forex guys. See, this is how we sell forex services, trading services. Okay, Nifty services using this particular ads. We'll get their email to the opt-in list and ask them to become a subscriber. Right now market is saturated. You have to look for innovative methods. Okay, so Facebook is the best bet, and I am into this particular industry configuring ads for a long time. Depending upon the product or service and the demographic you target, you will get results. Okay, nobody has control over the results. If your product is very good, you will get lot of conversions. Okay, if it's a trending one, if it's a scarcity, if it solves a problem, definitely you will get lot of sales and conversions. See, and I also know how to develop a Shopify website. Okay, see the ads, personal development ads, yoga, anything you can sell this way. And pet training. Okay, many are pets, either a cat or dog. Okay, most common. Advanced countries, people have parrot, even they have wild animals as pets. Okay, so this is the way to sell pet products. Okay, any products related to pet or grooming them. Their food, their biscuits. Okay, a tip to them, a treat to them. Okay, definitely people will buy, and one transaction cost at least $50 for this kind of products. As far I have seen, I've done a research on all these particular industries, pet training and random sites. Yeah, random. See, you can use. See, even I can use my template, but Facebook don't restrict this kind of templates. They directly approve it because they have seen this kind of templates. They know it is working. The product is working, converting very well. See, real estate. I told you many people buy sell happens on Facebook. Okay, nobody know the industry. I personally have seen lot of sales happening, lot of real estates happening through Facebook. Either they get a customer, they make a deal, they directly call them. So these are the templates they use for sale. How to sell a property? See, $10 billion sold. Search of Nero, so that they click this particular ad, right? And relationship dating. Okay, for dating websites, or if you're offering such kind of services, I mean for CPA, for get a subscriber, we use this kind of ads. Highly converting in the industry right now. Okay, and yeah, promo, software promo. Okay, even software is also developing. Why people buy software? To solve a particular problem. If they see a software which can solve your problem, for example, you don't know anything about web designing, if a software can fill that gap, definitely they will buy it. Okay, they can give you $100, $5 depending upon the ability to solve the problem, upon the features what it can do, and most important, user friendly interface. If a software meets this kind of criteria, definitely you can make a lot of sales. There is a big market. The key is don't target only one place. Okay, target different global hotspots like USA, UK, Canada, Australia. This is where most of the sales come from. Yeah, and European countries. So you should test it out. You should do your homework. Initially, you need to invest say $10, $20. Test where the ad is working out. Okay, different ad sets. Those are industry know what I'm speaking about. Software marketing. Okay, how to market your software using Facebook. If you need any help using Facebook ads, I can help you on this. Okay, t-shirt marketing. See, t-shirts sell like hot cakes on Facebook. Okay, for example, Teespring t-shirts. Okay, a particular caption, subtitle. I don't know why people are such crazed on Facebook. Okay, particularly from USA, UK, Germany, France. Lot of people are buying t-shirts, including Australia, Singapore. Okay, other countries also buy, but the figure is high in these countries. Okay, template club. See, I think I now missed. Okay, webinar. Yeah, travel and vacation. See, many people are selling flight tickets, cruise ship. Okay, one cruise ship cost at least what to say $25,000. That kind of sale per transaction they are getting through Facebook. I mean, $25,000 transaction per sale they are getting through Facebook. See the power of the Facebook ad. Okay, they tell that this image is speaking something about it. Survival guides for travelers going to Europe. Okay, I think he's selling some video codes or marketing. So he's targeting travelers and asking them how to save money. Okay, on traveling, how to use the credit card, how to get the concession, any offers or coupons, how to save on hotels. Maybe a ebook or a video course. I've seen some courses like that. Okay, it's very popular in advanced countries. Okay, they sell like crazy. And nowadays, many of them are using websites like Airbnb, Uber. It is somewhat universal. Airbnb, okay, you need an apartment, you need a homestay, check it on Airbnb. You need a car, they'll pick you from your residence. Call Uber. Many of them use Uber and Airbnb. Is universal, it's very popular and supports most of the countries. 20 places to visit. Okay, Germany is asking relocation services.